Okay, this is what's going to be replacing a Sony CCD-TRV608 Hi8 camcorder. If you can see that, this quality on this phone sucks. But this thing here only works with Windows 98 SE and Windows XP Professional. But here we go. This is at least 11 years old. It takes these kind of tapes. See that phone and the thing right there. You see this? Let's see. Close. But it's got night shot on it. The Canon FS200 will be replacing this. Let me just set this down here for a second and open the screen. Take the lens cap off when it's powered up. Come on. So far I can zoom in, which is and of course the battery's dead. I forgot to charge it, but let's shut it off. It's got the flip out LCD. Again, I gotta set the thing down, the camera phone thing. There's your Sony lens, your infrared night shot sensor, and your dual stereo microphone. Just set it down again. Set it down again. I have video of this up too, but yeah, ignore that crappy quality video camera recorder. Sony. Was originally leaning toward a Sony Handycan DCR-SX44, but yeah, that camera there sucks to me. USB streaming. All that good stuff here. You can get up to 15 hours. Holy crap. You got your things up here in your zoom rocker. Oopsies, your zoom rocker. Your light there which drains the battery. And you got your little itty bitty battery here. Let's just push down and pull up. It is a NPF M30. Set this down again and put the battery back in. No need. So annoying. Yeah, got your viewfinder there. I don't know if you can see through it. Turn it on. See there? Got your Sony lens cap here. I didn't know the cell phone took video until now, until I popped the micro SD card in. You got your stop and record here. This is strictly video. It does not take pictures. You got your night shot thing here. Yeah, got your tripod socket there. This thing here, I call it the tank because it weighs so much. You got your player back button there. Sorry for the low quality. Caution label there. Your infrared night shot sensor. Your band strap here and your Sony neck strap. See where it says Sony there? Sony makes great products. Their digital cameras are pretty awesome, even though I never did own one. But this thing here is at least 11, 12 years old, and it hasn't let us down yet, and I'm running out of memory, I think. Yeah, sorry for the bad quality. I apologize. I can't wait till I get me my Kodak fixed. Yeah, there's the cassette recorder thing. It's your zoom rocker. Only problem is the battery don't last long. And I got the charger I'll show you the charger too on it. Here's the charger. It's a Sony charger, and here's the USB cable to plug into the computer. It says Sony on it. This is a Sony, if you can read that, AC power adapter model ACL10, and look what that says there, made in China. But the camera itself is made in Japan. If you didn't know that, it's made in Japan. Anyways, I'm going to end this now, so yeah, bye.